Every leader or member of a team hopes to have or be part of a well-coordinated team. A team that has great working dynamics. A dream team. But this is not always the reality.
We know that this does not happen overnight. It needs practice, effort, and having a real understanding of ourselves and others. Hi, my name is Arjo.
Hi, I am Athena. We are from the Learning and Development team of People Dynamics Incorporated. We are inviting you to attend the 5 behaviors of a cohesive team based on Patrick Lencioni's book this coming November 21 and 22 at the Legend Villa in Mandaluyong City. The session is going to be facilitated by a certified trainer on 5 behaviors of a cohesive team and a registered psychologist, Dr. Vida Caparaz.
In this session, it will help you have more productive meetings, greater focus, more collaboration, and less frustration. In fact, 95% of people who have gone through this program said their teams are more effective, and as a side benefit, it may even make working on your team more fun.
Teamwork is the most untapped competitive advantage according to the best-selling author Patrick Lencioni. Let us help you.
Seats are limited, so register now and avail our early bird rate until November 6. You may contact us through 8-635-0016, or you may visit us at www.peopledynamics.ph.
So what are you waiting for?
Register now!